Hey there, quick review on this Wellmax dolly. Very nice product, but there are some things you should know and be aware of before you purchase this. So let's dig into it. First off, really easy to assemble, just requires you to put some bolts in to install the casters yourselves. It does have fixed casters on the front, which is typical in a hand cart like this. And then on the back, you have some swiveling casters. Now you will notice these are some nice big wheels. That's key if you're going over bumps or some random stones that might be on concrete. It's not gonna bind up the wheels, it'll roll over those since they're a decent size. So rolling this around and steering it into places is really easy, having that fixed wheel design on front and swiveling casters on the back. Now, if you want to transport this or store it in a smaller space, they do allow you to fold the handle down. Really easy to do that, and when you're ready to use it again, pops right up, the rod locks in place on its own. If you're standing up, you can also use your foot to push down this rod as well. So really easy to use in that regard. And of course it does fold up into a nice compact size. Now this is the 660-pound model. There is a smaller model that's I think rated at 330 pounds. I went with the heavier duty model and I'm glad I did. If you're going to be using this with any amount of weight, I would definitely recommend going with the heavier model. I think that the 330-pound model might be okay for just cardboard boxes with light stuff, but if you're gonna load this down with softener salt or something like that, probably want to go with the heavier 660-pound model. Overall, I'm happy with it. I do also like it's got a rubber strip that goes all the way around the outside, so if you do bump this into a wall or something, it's not going to damage things nearly as easily. Again, showing you back here, this is the mechanism that lowers the handle, and very easy to pop that back up into place. Overall, nice product. Works well, rolls well. I think it's a good value overall.